This lucky baby will sleep quietly through the night. Yes, no matter how high the temperature goes outdoors, this baby's RCA air conditioner will keep his room filled with cool, dry, fresh air and keep that room so comfortable and quiet he'll never need a middle-of-the-night lullaby. Yes, quiet is the word for this new 1954 RCA air conditioner, as the wonderful heart of cold compressor silently cools the air for you. RCA, America's finest air conditioner, goes quietly about its business of keeping you comfortable. Its exclusive hush-a-bye fans silently push the air through the room in a fresh, cool flow. Listen how quiet, and see how simple. This young lady is responsible for the weather in her home. It's as easy as child's play. The RCA Climate Tuner, with its cleverly concealed panel, has push-button controls for choosing the indoor climate she wants. Now she's setting the thermostat control for constant, even comfort. And all through the night, that thermostat makes certain of the same cool, gentle room temperature. There's an RCA air conditioner to suit any room. One just right for you. And for RCA service and installation, get one of these RCA factory service contracts. Then you'll be certain of America's finest service for America's finest air conditioner. The RCA air conditioner. Strike at 3:31.
Yes, these youngsters just got out of school and they're making a beeline to their favorite fountain that serves the best drink in town. It's the automatic twin juice fountain in the 1955 Westinghouse refrigerator. It serves delicious fruit juice, freshly mixed at the touch of a finger. And how those children love that lemonade. And there's no work to it, you know. All you do is keep a supply of thawed juice concentrate in here. That's all you have to do. You can keep lemonade over there and orange juice here for breakfast. And then when you want juice, you just press this tap, and the fountain automatically mixes the concentrate with just the right amount of cold water and air to give it nature's own freshness. And this Westinghouse 1955 refrigerator is frost-free, too. And that means no defrosting in the freezer and no defrosting in the refrigerator. What's more, it's a Westinghouse food file refrigerator that gives you a special place and a special cold for every kind of food. Well, for instance, here is a huge freezer, the exclusive beverage keeper and meat keeper, roomy shelves that roll out, and two big humidors that keep vegetables fresh for days. Then over on the door, there's special storage space for fresh fruits, small bottles, cheese, butter, and even a special storage space for eggs, too. No other refrigerator made today is so convenient. Go see your authorized Westinghouse dealer and ask him to show you the automatic twin juice fountain and all the other time-saving features that are available only in the new 1955 Westinghouse refrigerators. And remember, you can be sure if it's Westinghouse.